What's up, everyone? So let me tell you what I'm cooking right now. I am cooking while I'm quarantined a vegetarian vegan dish. So I got the pasta boiling. I got the red peppers with the Brussels sprouts chopped up nicely, thin slices. I got potato. I got kosher salt. I got ground pepper. I got yellow pepper and some onion, and I'm about to add some mushrooms. So I'm gonna saute this. And basically, once this is boiled, once it gets down to a certain boil, which I'm gonna turn off right now because it's been boiling for about 10 minutes, I'm gonna drain this. I'm gonna cool the pasta and throw the pasta in here and make a vegan dish. So if you want to make this is simple. I'm gonna use no butter. I use canola oil, which you can buy from Safeway. And basically, I spray the pan down. I'm using a cast iron for a particular reason, because I want that sear to some of my vegetables, and I want that burnt charcoal crisp. So it gives me that kind of like barbecue flavor, or barbecue on a grill flavor, if you want to call it that. But basically, like I said, Brussels sprouts, red peppers, yellow peppers, potatoes sliced and diced, and asparagus. I got some asparagus in here, and basically, when I'm doing it, I don't understand why my light is not working. Oh, we need to contact the landlord. But basically, this is boiled, because the pasta looks very puffy indeed. I add no salt to the water. I'm using actually mineral water to boil my pasta. If you guys want to do this technique, you're going to need a lot of mineral water to boil your pasta. I don't use the faucet water or anything like that. I use mineral water or seltzer water. But this seems to be completely done. I'm going to drain it. So this is a quick solution to draining the pasta. I do have an electric stove, so I'm gonna throw some little pasta in there. Oops. And then what I'm going to do next, I add some sriracha with this to give it more acidity and heat. That looks good. That does. Can't waste the food. How I can't smell, but I'm pretty sure it smells amazing. I lost my sense of smell in a car accident, so bear with me. See? I got that little dark sear, like what you get on a grill. Now you can add anything to this afterwards. If you want to add tomatoes, if you want to add avocado, which I'm going to do, to add a little bit of offset of the flavor, so it's not intense. But basically, yeah, this is my vegan dish, and this is the final product. So I add some mushrooms and some pasta sauce, and basically this is how it comes out. Looks delicious, doesn't it? Yummy. I made this because I was craving ramen. I'm crazy for ramen. But yeah, I usually don't make cooking things on this channel, but I figured you guys should figure out what I do at home and what I eat at home. But basically, this is it. I call it the Panda Vegetarian and Vegan. No, that's too long. I'm just gonna call it the Veggie Panda dish. If you like the video, please let me know. I appreciate it. It really helps this channel grow.